Hello decorator friends from all over the world. This time we bring you tips and ideas for your Christmas decoration. Decorating the living room for Christmas is like wrapping your home in a warm hug, embracing the season's spirit and making everything feel just a little bit more magical. It's the heart of the home during the holidays, where the family gathers, where memories are made, and where the festive mood truly comes to life. When you think about bringing that Christmas cheer into your living room, it's not just about putting up a tree and calling it a day. It's about creating an atmosphere that makes everyone who steps into the room feel the joy and warmth of the season. Start by considering the overall vibe you want to create. Do you want something cozy and traditional? Or are you leaning toward a more modern and sleek look? Maybe you're drawn to a rustic, cabin-like feel. Or perhaps a touch of glam with shimmering accents is more your style. Once you've figured out the direction, everything else falls into place. One of the first things you'll likely think of is the Christmas tree. This is often the focal point of the living room during the holidays, and it's where you can really let your creativity shine. Whether you go for a real tree with that classic pine scent or a beautifully crafted artificial one, the way you decorate it sets the tone for the rest of the room. Think about the color scheme. Are you going for traditional reds and greens? Or maybe a winter wonderland theme with whites, silvers, and blues? Or perhaps you're feeling a bit bold and want to experiment with non-traditional colors like pastels or jewel tones. The ornaments you choose can reflect your personal style, whether they're vintage, handmade, or sleek and modern. Don't forget to add a tree topper that complements your theme, whether it's a classic star, an angel, or something unique that speaks to your personality. But the tree is just the beginning. The living room is a blank canvas that you can transform into a cozy Christmas retreat. Think about layering different elements to create a rich, inviting space. Start with soft, plush throws and pillows in seasonal colors. These not only add comfort, but also bring in those festive hues that make the room feel like Christmas. You can even switch out your everyday pillow covers for ones with Christmas patterns or textures, like velvet, faux fur, or knitted designs. Now let's talk about the mantel if you have one. The mantel is like the crown jewel of Christmas decorating in the living room. Draping it with garlands, whether fresh or faux, instantly brings a touch of nature indoors. Add some twinkling lights and you've got a beautiful glowing centerpiece. You can personalize it further with stockings, perhaps one for each family member, and add some decorative elements like candles, figurines, or even a festive sign or two. If you don't have a mantel, don't worry, you can create a similar effect on a shelf, console table, or even on the back of your sofa. Another key area to focus on is the lighting. Lighting plays a huge role in setting the mood for your living room during Christmas. Think about soft, warm lights that create a cozy atmosphere. String lights aren't just for the tree. You can drape them over windows, weave them through garlands, or even place them in glass jars or lanterns for a magical glow. Candles are another great way to add warmth and ambience. Whether you go for real or battery-operated candles, they bring a sense of calm and coziness to the room. If you want to add a bit of fragrance to the mix, consider scented candles with Christmas-inspired aromas like cinnamon, pine, or vanilla. The coffee table is another spot where you can add some festive touches. A simple arrangement of candles, a small decorative tree, or a bowl of ornaments can bring the Christmas spirit to this central piece of furniture. You could also incorporate a tray with holiday-themed items like a festive mug, a couple of pine cones, and maybe a little greenery. These small details make the space feel thoughtfully put together and welcoming. Let's not forget about the walls. If you have artwork or photos on your walls, consider swapping them out for the season or adding a festive touch. You could hang a Christmas wreath, a piece of holiday-themed art, or even create a gallery wall with framed holiday cards. This is an easy way to bring the Christmas spirit to every corner of the room. Incorporating natural elements is another great way to enhance the festive feel. Pine cones, fresh greenery, and even branches can be used in various ways throughout the living room. You could place them in vases, arrange them on the mantel, or use them to create a centerpiece. The addition of natural elements not only looks beautiful, but also brings a touch of the outdoors inside, adding to that warm, cozy feeling. One of the advantages of decorating your living room for Christmas is the way it brings people together. The room becomes a gathering place where everyone wants to spend time, whether it's sipping hot cocoa, watching Christmas movies, or opening presents on Christmas morning. It's a space where traditions are celebrated and new memories are made. The effort you put into decorating can truly transform the atmosphere, making everything feel more special. Another benefit is how it lifts your spirits. Walking into a beautifully decorated living room can instantly make you feel happier, more relaxed, and in tune with the holiday season. It's like a visual reminder of all the things that make Christmas so joyful: the warmth, the togetherness, the celebration of love and kindness. And when guests come over, your festive living room is sure to leave a lasting impression, spreading that holiday cheer far and wide. As you continue decorating your living room, it's important to keep in mind that the little details can make a big difference. Sometimes the smallest touches are what truly bring everything together and make the room feel complete. Think about the scents in your living room. Adding a few sprigs of fresh pine, a bowl of cinnamon sticks, or even a diffuser with a seasonal scent can fill the space with the aroma of Christmas. It's these sensory details that can make the room feel even more inviting and cozy. When it comes to the seating area, consider adding a festive throw blanket or two over your sofa or armchairs. Not only do these blankets add to the visual warmth of the room, but they also encourage everyone to snuggle up and relax. You might also think about adding a basket filled with more blankets, or even some holiday-themed magazines or books. This creates a cozy nook where anyone can curl up and enjoy a quiet moment amid the holiday hustle and bustle. If you have children, involving them in the decorating process can add a layer of joy and excitement. You could set up a small tree just for them to decorate with their own ornaments, or create a DIY craft station where they can make garlands, paper snowflakes, or other decorations. This not only makes the living room feel more personalized and lively, but it also creates lasting memories for your family. Another idea to enhance your living room's festive atmosphere is to incorporate music. Whether you have a record player, a modern sound system, or simply stream your favorite tunes, playing Christmas music in the background can elevate the mood and make the room feel even more festive. A gentle playlist of holiday classics or instrumental versions of Christmas songs can add to the ambience without overwhelming the space. For those who love a bit of DIY, creating some of your own decorations can be incredibly rewarding. You might make a garland out of dried oranges and cranberries, create handmade ornaments, or even design your own wreath. These personal touches not only make your living room unique, but also give you a sense of pride and accomplishment every time you look at them. It's also worth considering how your living room decor transitions from day to night. During the day, natural light can highlight your decorations, making everything feel bright and cheerful. But in the evening, the magic truly comes alive with the glow of Christmas lights, candles, and perhaps a roaring fire if you have a fireplace. This is when your living room becomes a cozy haven, perfect for winding down after a busy day or gathering with loved ones for a holiday movie marathon. Incorporating different textures and materials into your decor can add depth and interest to the room. Think about mixing soft fabrics with metallic accents, or pairing natural elements like wood and greenery with glass and ceramics. This contrast not only makes the space visually appealing, but also creates a tactile experience that adds to the overall coziness of the room. And while decorating can seem like a lot of work, it's also an opportunity to express your creativity and personal style. Whether you're going all out with a theme or just adding a few festive touches here and there, the process can be enjoyable and fulfilling. Plus, it's a chance to involve the whole family, making it a shared experience that everyone can take part in and enjoy. So, as you start to decorate your living room for Christmas, remember that it's not just about the decorations themselves, but the feeling they create. It's about crafting a space that welcomes you and your loved ones, making everyone feel the magic of the season. Whether your style is classic, modern, or somewhere in between, the key is to infuse your living room with the spirit of Christmas in a way that feels authentic and meaningful to you.